Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the PlayStation Plus games of the month on your PS5 using the PS app right here on your phone. And this is easy to do, so if you want to go ahead and play these games, you can go ahead and get them downloaded ahead of time, so when you get home, well, you don't have to wait like 2 or 3 hours. So I use this application a lot when it's like the first of the month or something like that. It's the first Tuesday. So we can go on down to the PlayStation Store down here, select this. Then at the top, let's just select the PlayStation Plus icon. Otherwise, we might be able to just go to Collection, but just go to PlayStation Plus. Scroll on down, and here are the PlayStation monthly games. So it looks like we got Immortals, Legends, Minecraft Legends, Skull. We can just go to View All right here. So, I don't know, let's try Minecraft Legends. Select this since everyone's got it. And let's download this to my PlayStation 5. Add to the library. I can't remember if this game was well received or not. I don't think it was because I didn't hear much about it. But it might just be fun to try out since everyone's playing it. So it released last year about this time. So let's go to download. And this video might be pushed back out to like almost December, I think. So let's go to December. To download the console. And then we can download it to my PlayStation 5 remotely, if my touchscreen on my phone will work. So it's very easily just go ahead and redeem those at least to add them to your account. So let's go to Skull, get this one too, and I've done this to pretty much every PlayStation Plus game of the month since 2013 when the PlayStation 4 came out. So I have like 700 games or something. Immortals is a $70 game. Wonder what this game's about. Might be fun. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech. Is this an RPG?